Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Eru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, a very exciting day. I have a bunch of things to do today. Today, I'm excited because today I'll be hearing the president of Kenya speak for the first time. You know what I mean? Live and live in colors at the KICC, Conventional Center family. I also got to go and someone link me up to, they want to see the loftel, they want to send someone to look at it. Also, the Airbnb that I'm setting up for you guys, I'm actually, going there to look at the painting. They did some paintings. I want to go and see the painting. I also want to actually get a company to do a deep clean and set it up nice, family. So that's what Jam Tours want to do. So guys, today's a jam-packed day. So guys, let's go, family. With this Airbnb family, I really want to set it up nice so when you come you feel comfortable. And it's gonna be like for you know what I mean, it's gonna be just like a nice cheap spot, family. You come, you don't want to spend a bunch of money, you want to relax and chill. And you know what I mean, you want to just see around Kenya, see the opportunity you can get and not get scammed, family. Other people come and they're excited because they see the opportunity and they link with the wrong person and get scammed. And that's what Jam Tours is trying to eradicate. You know what I mean? So today, guys, it's a jam-packed day, but I'm taking you guys with me in Nairobi. So when you come, I've said to myself that it's a place right now where, you know what I mean, I never know that I'll be doing this every day. I have to be out and I don't have a 9 to 5. It's crazy, guys. You have to learn to create your own destiny, create your own jobs, create the way you want to live. You know what I mean? So I am just trying to find my way, family. And these networking conference that you go, you meet a lot of people and you get to connect with people, you get to know more new information and stuff. And at KICC there's gonna be the e-citizen. E-citizen is gonna be there, and they're gonna upgrade the system on immigration and NTSA and M-Pesa, Airtel, a lot of stuff, family, to enhance the business that you're doing, payment processing. People are integrating M-Pesa and things to your website and things like that. So it's a whole lot of things, family, and that's what Jam Tours want to show you when you come to Kenya. You can actually create your own life and live like a real entrepreneur, a real somebody that add value to people like family. You don't have to come and just sit down like that. You see what I'm saying, family? So let's go, family. Let's go with Jam Tours today. Yeah, family. So as you can see, the guys have come and paint up. Please think of paint, family. So I'm gonna get some professional cleaners to come and clean up this place nice and organize it up nice, and change out, fling out new stuff. The place gonna look so nice, family. So I'm here just letting you guys know, showing you the before and after. The bathroom, this they actually fixed the spot that was there, and a lot of deep cleaning needs to be done, family. So we have to get this done for you, family. So let's go, family, let's go. When you come to Kenya, you want to stay cheap and clean and nice, good area. Yassa the place, family. You know what I mean? Yassa is the spot. So link up with Jam Tours if you're coming. I can save this for you because when I put this up on Airbnb, the thing go already. You have to block out the date for you. So if you want monthly stay, 2 months stay, 3 months stay, you know what I mean? This is a good place for you to chill and look around, network, and to find your way. Alright, so let's go. Yeah, family, so I'm actually on my way to the African Zoo's annual meeting, Nairobi, Kenya, family. It's a 3 days event and you have to register and you have to get a picture like this. And Jam Tours is a part of the Pan-African Council from Jamaica, family. And as I said, guys, if you want to come to Africa, you want to do things in Africa, you have to get yourself into an organization. So the Pan-African Council is an organization that deals with Pan-African issues, and we're trying to resolve resolve Africa issue, family, step by step, little by little, one by one, so when you come to Africa, you need to be a part of an organization so you can get access to these events. If you're not a part of the Pan-African organization, you won't even know about these event families. So when I went yesterday, I actually saw the event and I called up the chairman for the Pan-African Council. I said, hey, this is the event that is going on and stuff. We're going to sign up and register for it and stuff, family. So, you know what I mean, before you can even get accepted to actually attend these conference, you got to be a part of an organization, family. And that's the reason why we actually advise people and tell people when they come. We're actually building out the Pan-African website right now. We have a ton of information to put in it. We want you guys to be a part, be a member of the Pan-African Council, family. So, yeah, family. So that's just some advice. When you come, you can link up with Jam Tours and you can sign up and register to be a part of the Pan-African Council, family. So, we're actually looking forward to have you be a part of this community and family. That's the only way for you to actually, you know, get a chance to achieve something and do something, family. So, the Pan-African Council. Go join, go sign up. We have membership program and stuff. So we're looking forward to see you at a Pan-African, you know what I mean, council meetings and stuff that we'll be looking for. Our office here in Nairobi, we're looking for that at the moment. So as soon as we get that.
In 400 meters, right, keep right, and then keep right.
Thoughts, let me know when you come in. Kenya Jam Tours is here to take care of you and make sure you're safe and sound and you don't get scammed. Alright, so let's.
Let me tell you why. You are my treasure. Let me tell you why. I love you so much. Let me tell you why. I'll keep you forever. Unamiliki moyo wangu my honey. Nikiwa nawe mimi na amani. I miss you that I prayed for. Unakaa exactly like what I saw in my dream. La 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 la. Kila la 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 la. Butterfly, yeah. You're my forever. Water into wine. Akafanya mambo yake and then later turned you into mine. I'm falling kila time. Straight and go serious, mwanaume ako win. Complimenting me daily. Napenda vile unanipenda baby. Bongo unanichanganya ubongo. Ndio tucheze dance zile za Kikongo. Na nikichoka nitapanda kwa mgongo. Unipigie stories zako za uongo, baby. The way you make me feel, make me feel, make me feel. Here to sasa ndo inabamba mama. Here to sasa ndo inabamba daddy. The way you make me feel. What a love, what a love, what a love. You're my forever. Didn't mean to fall in love. Mean to fall in love, baby. You're my
Habari gani nzuri sana, wageni makaribisho, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo jambo bwana, habari gani nzuri sana, wageni makaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Kenya nchi nzuri, let's just do it like this. Let's make it like kupendeza, hakuna matata. Just wait, just yenye upendo, hakuna matata. Mji mkuu Nairobi. If you see somebody is not sweating, something is wrong. Just wave with the hair like that. Hakuna matata. Wakaribishwa, hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. As we sang before, Africa, oh Africa, oh liberté. Let's sing together. Africa.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to this very important occasion. To friends who have come from different parts of our continent, it is my position that you cannot have a successful Kenya without a thriving Africa. We live in a context where our destinies are intertwined. And that is why it is an honor for me to welcome you all to Nairobi for the 9th annual meeting of the African Economic Zones Organization, a prestigious event bringing together over 400 local and international business leaders, government representatives, and other stakeholders united to advance to a shared commitment to advance economic growth and promote transformative collaboration across our continent. I thank the organizers and partners for their commendable efforts in ensuring the success of this very pivotal event. I also wish to express my deep appreciation to the Africa Union, United Nations Industrial Development Organization, whose leader is here, and the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development for their steadfast support for this event, and more particularly for their critical role in championing the African industrialization agenda that is encapsulated in the Agenda 2063 of our continent. Your dedication to sustainable industrial growth across the continent is exemplary and deeply valued. This conference provides an invaluable platform to exchange ideas, forge partnerships, and amplify the transformative role of special economic zones in building resilience and a prosperous African economies. Today, we convene under a theme that examines how African special economic zones can drive resilience, inclusivity, and sustainability in our economies. Strategically designed ecosystem that align critical regulatory, institutional, and infrastructural elements essential for driving industrial development, export competitiveness, and trading capabilities. That is why special economic zones are indispensable engines of this growth. And I want to commend the leadership of AEZO and all the partners that have come together to put together this very important event where we can reflect, where we can think, share ideas, share experiences, and see to it that we unlock the potential to provide additional infrastructural capacity for more companies, more partners, more investors to work with us as we unlock the huge youth potential that we have in Kenya and opportunities that exist for manufacturing, for value addition, for agro-processing, for industrialization, again leveraging on our renewable energy assets that are in plenty. A fiscal framework, you have a policy framework that facilitates the big market that exists in the East African community and the big market that exists in our continent. You will have access to green energy. You have the best human capital anywhere in the world, very well trained, very well educated, speak good English, you know. So if you are looking for a place, a destination to set up shop, look no further. I think you're just in the right place. Let me add this. We now have integrated domestic and regional institutional frameworks which are firmly aligned with our industrial growth strategies. One dimension remains and calls for focused action by delegates at this conference. Strengthening business organizations such as the Africa Economic Zones Organization is essential to foster collaboration among governments, investors, and the private sector. This organization is essential in unifying African businesses, driving policy advocacy, and developing industrial strategies that leverage the transformational potential of economic zones. Nobody has the monopoly of knowledge. We need the input in terms of advocacy. First and foremost, believe in themselves, invest in their countries before we ask others to invest in our countries and in our continent. We must lead the way. We must lead the way in believing in ourselves, believing in our continent, believing in our countries, being patriotic. And if there are challenges in our continent, if there are challenges of inefficiency, if there are challenges of corruption, we must deal with them. It is our responsibility to eliminate these challenges so that we can build an environment that, starting with ourselves, we can invest. Kenya remains committed to advancing collaborative framework with all African nations. We therefore invite our brothers and sisters across the continent to explore opportunities for joint initiatives that elevate our economic zones and drive our collective transformation. Just a simple act of making it easier for people to move, for people to trade, for ideas to cross borders. And it is the reason why, as Kenya, we have said that every African is free to come to Kenya, and there is no requirement of any visa. They can come to Kenya because they will come and pay their way around. We are not saying that there will be anything free in Kenya. If you come, you have to pay for your hotel, you have to pay for your movement around, and so we have no problem. All we want is that we want to have an Africa that is integrated, where there is freedom of movement, freedom of capital, freedom of goods and services. And that's why I am grateful to the African Economic Zones Organization, industry leaders, development partners, and private sector for their demonstrated devotion to Africa's economic advancement. I see it in what you're doing, I feel it in the programs that you're running, and I urge all of us to remain determined and motivated to proceed on this historic journey of Pan-African economic transformation so that we may live and work in an Africa that thrives on self-sufficiency, inclusivity, and sustainability. May this meeting serve as a catalyst for Africa's economic renaissance and inspire us to achieve our full potential together. Ladies and gentlemen, I now declare the 9th annual meeting of the Africa Economic Zones Organizations open. May our deliberations here pave the way for a more prosperous, competitive, and sustainable Africa. Congratulations, thank you very much, and God bless you.
Appreciate His Excellency the President. I'll request Your Excellency, sir, to remain on stage and allow me to have a set of only 3 photos, sir. The rest of us kindly be seated. Photo.
Another one. Yes, wow, I can see recess. Another one. Kurasa. Kurasa, where are the Kurasa people? Kurasa, where are you? I mean, honestly, it's been 6 amazing months. You guys know how hard you've worked to be here, you know? Another startup, somebody, yes? So much art, where are the so much people? You see? Another startup, we have to
supporting innovators who are building edtech solutions in that space. Now, a lot of times, we usually make sure that we say this, that when we talk about edtech and what makes us so excited, it's not just about the technology. The technology is great, but it's the most important part is the education aspect of it. I often say that sometimes it seems like the edtech space is the only space where, people just talk about, oh, my solution can do this and that, but forget that you have to make sure that the technology is actually leading to improved learning outcomes. And essentially what that means is that